All right, today we're going to bring a portable mini printer, and this is actually for label printing. It does have a charge, so you do need to charge it with USB. So it's going to last you for many hours. This is perfect if you run a business and you're going to send labels making directly to the printer, so you can actually send them and ship them. Shipping labels are easy to print from here. We're going to open it up and see what you get. They give you the instructions, thorough instructions. They give you instructions how to actually do a tutorial, or you could download the actual manual itself. Now, they give you instructions to download the application, and you are going to require an application. You are going to require application. It's called Print Master. It takes you directly there. We're going to open it up right now and set it up. Turn it on. First, we're going to set it up, all right? So they do give you labels. These are the smaller ones. These are like the 40 millimeters, but they have larger one, and this one actually stretches out. They could take different various sizes, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and set this up and see how it works. All right, we just took out the sticker. We're gonna set this up, and when the way you set it up is you just crunch it up, right? You use those two fingers, you crunch it up, and that's pretty much it. You set this up on the side. All right, so we got it. The labels needs to be sticking out. Of course, this is a type C charging station. We're gonna turn it on, and the way it works, we just crank it up, hold the power button, and you'll see it cranking up here. It's a M221 model, and you're gonna have to add it in here where it says add, and it's gonna look for it right now. It's gonna try to locate the actual printer. Give it a couple of seconds and it found the printer. There it is. We connect to it. We found the model there. You tap to connect, confirm to connect, and just let it be. It's connecting to the printer. Once it's set up, the first print might not print properly because it's a little bit, it has to stabilize itself, but we're going to test it out. So let's go and test it out. And now that it's giving instructions how to do what, and it tells you what type of labels. This is where you have to be actually in the lookout, and it tells you in the actual label box, or depends on the actual label you buy. It gives you information. So that's how long it is, label width, label height. So go ahead and complete. Simple label, all right? And then hit OK. And then we're going to print it out, right? And the way it's going to print out, we go back to there, go here. So once we do that, you hit the little arrow here in this corner, and then we just hit print label, print, and exactly what you see, there it is. Simple label, exactly how I want it. And then of course you could use it as a sticker, you could add addresses, you could do pretty much anything you want. Out of the box, it's a set and forget, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.